American Culinary Cuisines Academy is located in the heart of Goa in Margao. We have consciously taken this name and named our academy as American because the whole world knows the American standards are supposed to be one of the best. We are basically aiming to train quality manpower for the cruise line industry, especially in the culinary field.
The important skills what the students have to have in SCCLA and what we train them is first of all 100% commitment. That is our main goal. We don't want any excuses. So 100% commitment and 0% excuses. This is the first thing what we tell our students.
On the course content part of it, it's absolutely precise. Whatever happens in the ship, cruise line, kitchen or a galley just happens here.
We have consciously designed the galley on line of the cruise lines. The original equipments which are used on the cruise line, the same equipments are got from the ship itself and have been installed here.
We got microwave ovens, we got a salamander, we got a hot plate, we have a tilting pan, and we have a blast chiller. You name it what we get on the ship, and we have them in place over here. So we exactly teach the boys how these machines operate and how they have to work and how to get the job done.
I want to open my own restaurant in my future. So in that way, I really felt like creating means upcoming with your own creativity. It's like nowhere they will give you such a own facility. Even when I'm just working here in this restaurant, I always miss my kitchen over there.
It is up to the mark. Like if you're going on an American ship or American hotel, you have to be up to the mark. You can't be just simply preparing food how we do it in India without checking in the temperature of the food, usually how it is done here. It's a very international standard, like HACCP, Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, which is very essential when you're handling food, and they are taught up to that standard, which is very rarely followed, sad to say, in India.
When we teach them in a nice way. We do not stress them out. They're allowed to make mistakes because without mistakes they can't learn. And inventory level is very, very huge. So they get to handle fish, beef, pork, meat, veg, everything together. And it's all European and continental. A lot of these ingredients they have never seen before, or they've seen, they've never tasted, things like that. Now they're actually handling and cooking it.
You have the theory in the morning and the practicals in the evening. They kind of teach you everything, you know. The best of ingredients are got. The best of ingredients are flown from Bombay or wherever the vendors are around the world. I see the effort that has been put in SCCLA to actually get that ingredient and make the student really experience what that ingredient is all about and smell, feel, taste that ingredient, you know.
There are great chefs there who teaches us, who are happy to help us. You know, you stay after time, after the working hours also. They will stay there, they'll help you out.
When it comes to the faculty, when it comes to our chefs who are basically our faculty, their experiences from the time they started as a assistant cook to being executive chefs in very large organizations, those inputs that they give, their experiences of life, their experiences of what happened in a kitchen is absolutely priceless.
Keep it simple and straightforward. Simple for the fact that we don't want accidents to happen in the galley.
When I teach, I make sure there's a lot of interaction. So I try and bring out their not so serious side. For the reason that if you use humor in learning, they tend to ease up rather than, getting stuck.
Before I went to SCCLA and I did the soft skills, I was kind of a quiet, shy person. I never came out. Mostly quite soft spoken, but then the soft skills helped bring out my personality. It helped in personality development, helped in punctuality, in discipline. Taught me certain things which are necessary.
The uniqueness about our academy, and especially in Goa, is Goa is a tourist destination. It's an international tourist destination. The exposure is enormous and very, very valuable. There are more than 35 five-star hotels in a small state wherein we'll be able to send the candidates and students for industrial training, and they get exposure not only to the local tourists but the international tourists.
Work experience is something which gives you the confidence, which gives you that small kick above the rest. It's good to have institutional knowledge, but once it's on the job, is how you perform.
Work experience helps us improve ourselves, get fast with our work. We gotta be perfect, you can say. Actually perfect, 100% perfect, because there is no chance of mistake, because it's the guest you're serving.
It would definitely help me, open up in entrepreneurship. It would help me set up my own business. It's giving me that base. Doing my internship is just the part one, the stage one. Doing the career, starting my career on cruise, that's going to give me the stage two, the second part. It's just going to give me the final polishing.
We are also looking at people who would excel in their careers in terms of innovation and entrepreneurship. So we also cater to people who are looking to start up their businesses other than those who are going to the cruise lines alone. Having experience internationally, we are better able to mentor the person or the entrepreneur in terms of his requirements, right from logistics to technical skills and soft skills.
I think ACCLA has done the right thing by bridging the gap, whereby they have a module which is a ship-based module, a kitchen, whereby it's like a model of a ship, where students get used to a module, they work for 6 months, they do their interns, they do their skill development, and they're ready to board the ship with absolutely no waste of time training again.
I'm very proud to say that so far all the students who have passed out or who have been trained in our academy have been placed. In fact, our placement record has been near 100%.
I would recommend ACCLA to other students because it's for those who want to start anew. It's for those who want that fresh base. It's for those who want the starting, the guiding point.
Those 3 months which I learnt in ACCLA is my life-changing period. They fine-tuned me and they taught me what I feel for. And I was a bartender, but still I was earning money, but still I was not satisfied well enough. When I just joined here, I just got my out. I know I have to be a perfect chef.
It's like pieces of puzzles, they come together, and ACCLA is one of them. The work experience you get, that is the one. Soft skills, I can say, yes, it does help. And yeah, it will help me become an entrepreneur one day.
To a guy who is joining ACCLA, I'll really say it's like your family, you're going to join a new family. They help me out. They are not just faculties, they are guide. They help you out in every means of your life, and it's the best place to be with.